Imagine a sound so loud it can be felt around the world. On the morning of August 27, 1883, the island of Krakatoa in Indonesia underwent a massive volcanic eruption that created the loudest natural-made sound ever recorded. The eruption was so powerful that it generated a shockwave that could be heard over 3,000 miles away, and generated tsunamis that killed over 36,000 people. It's estimated that the eruption reached 310 decibels from the source. To put that into context, the human threshold for pain is near 130 decibels. For up to 5 days after the eruption, weather stations around the world observed an unprecedented spike in air pressure waves. The Krakatoa eruption is probably the loudest sound mankind has ever witnessed.